Did you know that dolphins have their own unique way of communicating, almost like having names for each other? Research shows that these intelligent creatures use distinct whistles to identify themselves and call out to their friends. Imagine swimming in the ocean and hearing a familiar whistle that tells you your buddy is nearby. This ability to recognize individual calls is a sign of their advanced social structure. Just like us, dolphins form strong bonds and maintain relationships through these personalized sounds. So next time you see dolphins, remember they're not just playing around, they're chatting and connecting with each other in a way that's truly remarkable.